just arrived to the Waldorf. We got our welcome margaritas. We are staying in the suite number 410. Here is the front entrance. Here's Ryan. Here's vanity table. There's our welcome margaritas. So we are staying in a 3-bedroom suite. As you can tell, we are already in the living room area. Here is a dining table. Here is the kitchen. There is the complimentary tequila, one of the finest tequila brands in Mexico, and there are some ornaments as welcome gifts. Look at this cute kitchen area. This is the refrigerator. In the fridge, you have water bottles, sodas, and juices, and they get restocked every day. Here's some sweets, coffee, creamer, sugar, your coffee maker. Here's a tea kettle. You have your knife set, toaster, your oven, a stovetop, a blender, everything you need in a kitchen. Here's some of the drawers here, some grilling things. Got microwave, some more utensils, coffee filters and napkins. And here is the hallway. So there's 3 bedrooms in the suite. Here's the first bedroom. Got 2 beds, a TV. Here's the view. Closet, some slippers. Here is the bathroom that's connected to this bedroom. Here's the toilet area, your towels, tissues, a dental kit, cotton pads, soap, sink, body lotion, and here is the shower. All the way up there. There is the body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and bath towels. Here's the decor in this room. Then we're gonna go back to the hallway. And this is a partial bathroom here. Sink. In the toilet area. We got 2 bedrooms left. On the right is the primary bedroom. Here is the king bed. Your nightstands. You have 2 lounge chairs out here. Some view of the ocean. Here is the TV, the fireplace. Here's the closet. This is the complimentary beach bag here that you can bring home. Some slippers and robes and an iron. And the ironing board is behind the robes. Now we're gonna go to the bathroom. Here is a sink. Here's another closet. And this is another sink here. You have your soap bar, Q-tips, cotton pads, tissue, body lotion, another little compact mirror. Toilet. You have your bathroom sofa. This huge tub. Here's some honey bath soap. A loofah or body scrubber. Huge mirror. And here is the shower. Here's the view from the bathroom. So this is the bathroom that's connected to the primary bedroom. Now we're gonna go to the last bedroom. You have 2 beds in here. You have a nightstand. Here's the view from this bedroom. There's the TV. Here is the closet. Hangers, slippers, and robes. And here's the bathroom that's connected to this bedroom. Here is the sink, the soap, body lotion, toilet, and this is the shower. And now we're gonna walk back out and I'll show you the plunge pool. So here is the patio. You have a dining table, lounge chairs. Here's the view from this suite. Plunge pool. Some views of the ocean and around the resort. And here is the QR code that you can scan to learn more about the resort and in-room dining. But this is a beautiful and spacious suite with 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, dining area, living room. We are so excited to be here and can't wait to start our vacation here. It's our second visit here.
Second visit.
Our suite's located on the other side of the resort.
It's all the way at the top, so there's a lot of stairs that you have to walk in order to get there. I like it.
Here is the gym. It's empty tonight. We're just walking around. It's our first night here. We just saw where our old room was, the previous room we stayed at. And now we're walking back to our current room, suite, which is on the other side of the resort. That one, right? Here is the hallway to our suite. Staying in suite 410.
Anyone home? It's us.
Yo, so can I put it in the suite?
No, that's it.
Could I bother you for a signature?
Yeah.
Our well watching this morning. Ryan already saw a well. There's the tunnel. The Gaudi Study at Peacock Alley. There's the Neutral Coffee Lab. Make coffee. It's definitely more decorated than last time we were here. Before we couldn't even find it. And then those cactuses look a lot. I think they were there last time.
And this is a fire pit, if I remember correctly.
Yeah. At nighttime. There's the souvenir store. I think it was that.
No, so.
Yeah, this was here. The art store. Hmm. 8:30 is pretty busy at Diamond Wells for breakfast. Have the fruit plate, pastries, and a yogurt. Gracias. Yeah, we can walk the beach. There's the champagne bar. For lunch, we ordered sushi and octopus. And a
It
pina
looks really good, right? It looks very colorful.
So the bad thing about being in this area of the resort that is so far from the main pools and the restaurants, and there's several cases of stairs, so you'll get your workout in. Just left the pool. That's a family pool, and this is another pool. And then go up the staircase. Our room is somewhere up there. Every night you get guacamole and chips and 2 Coronitas. Last morning at the Waldorf in Cabo. Here is the continental breakfast, fruit and pastries, and soon we'll get our yogurt, coffee and water, and juices. Just finished our breakfast at Diamond Wells. It was very filling. It's no longer the buffet breakfast for Hilton Diamonds, but it comes with fruit, a plate of fruit. You can choose between granola or oatmeal in a pastry basket, and coffee, juices, and water. We're really full now.
410.